Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a change out and for a customer's home. And as you can see, we're all being with the COVID-19 thing. We have to wear gloves on both hands. We have to be wearing mouth guards, face masks like this, and shoebies, red shoebies. So. The problem here, the systems again, we're 22 years old and she has two on each side of the house. So this is, the coil was in here. I just took it out here a few minutes ago. That's just the flue pipe. And this here goes connected right here. That's what takes out the carbon monoxide. This is the inducer fan motor. There was leaks all over the coil here. So these are the copper lines. This is the drain line. And, she has two fresh airs, which is that one down there per code. It's got to be from 12 inches from the ground. And another one she has right up there, that one there. So she's going to get a new furnace, new coil, condensers outside. So these are the burners, blower motor. Some doors go here, some panels go here, they're back over here. So, the most important thing from this video today is the protective gear that we have for COVID-19 for all our customers. So we're going to do a full system replacement, AC change out. We've got really good specials going on right now per the COVID-19. So please call us at 512-448-0532. We also have easy payment plans. We've got some plans as low as, almost $99 for a complete system financed. And so we're busy and we're protecting our customers more than anything, protecting our customers and obeying the city laws that we have right now. So call us 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Please look up our YouTube videos and subscribe. It is ABC Austin Service Express. And look out for more videos, okay? Again, call us for all your AC, heating, and refrigeration needs. We've got really good specials going on right now for COVID-19. Again, we take care of our customers. Gloves, face masks, and booties. So 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video.